Look at this t-shirt in my merch store. This isn't a hard sell, by the way. I want you to read the logo. Want to take better photos, it says. Then stand in front of more interesting stuff. It's just a light-hearted, fun photographer's t-shirt. But actually, is it? Think of the great photographers. Henri Cartier-Bresson, Don McCullin, Bill Brandt, Norman Parkinson. What do these great photographers, what do their photos have in common? Interesting subjects. Yes, they all put themselves in front of more interesting stuff. You see, often when amateur photographers go out to take some photographs, they have limited time. They squeeze an hour's photography in. They're time poor. They're looking for something to shoot in the short time that they've got. Their options for interesting subjects are inevitably going to be limited. But the best photographers, they don't just wander around hoping for a great photograph to appear. No, they look for interesting subjects before they go to shoot them. A previously seen location, maybe. An organised event. Instead of sitting in the car thinking to yourself, I've got 1 hour, where shall I go? Get into the car thinking, right, the event starts at 9, so maybe I'll let it get busy. I'll arrive maybe 11, that's when it will be busiest. That's when I'm going to get my best shots. Put yourself in the right position, in front of more interesting stuff. Check out what's happening in your area. Even if it's just, noting an area of a town that seems to have those really interesting characters. Put yourself in front of them and up your game. When you have an interesting subject, you're halfway to an interesting photo. Give it a go and leave a comment to let us know how you got on. And if you found this video in the slightest bit interesting or even helpful, give it a like, would you? It really, really helps. Now, when you have really interesting people in front of you and you see a great portrait right there standing in front of you, there's one thing that photographers revert to, and it could kill creativity faster than anything. And to help you avoid that, watch this video here.